Welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. We continue our lesson on treating words with several meanings in Twi. Today we are taking this 3-letter word, and that is asa or asa. Asa, asa. That one, everything comes through the mouth, and then asa, asa, which is somehow nasalized. The last letter, a, is what? Nasalized. Asa, asa. Okay? So we have asa and then asa. The same spelling. Let's start with the first explanation. Asa. Asa simply means what? Dance or dancing. For example, I can say, me pasa, I like dancing. Me pe, I like. Asa, dancing. I like dancing. Me pasa. Asa. So asa could mean what? Dance or dancing. Secondly, it could also mean what? Animal. Look at the board. What do we use this for? You know what I mean, okay? I don't want to explain it to detail. Good. So for instance, I can say that if you have constipation, enema could help you. In Twi, I will say, sewo ayem timwa. Ayem tim is what? Constipation. Sewo. Se means what? If. Wo. You have. So if you have ayem tim constipation, asabi to me abwao, enema can help you. Sewo ayem timwa, asabi to me abwao. If you have constipation, enema can help you. So asa could also mean what? Enema. Enema. That is number 2. Number 3. This time around, it is what? Nasalized. Asa. Asa. Assume I take this glass of water and drink. There is no more water. So I can say, nsuo no. Nsuo is what? Water. Nsuo no. That means the water. Asa has finished. Nsuo no asa. Nsuo no asa. The water has finished. Asa. 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 It is what? Finished. Asa. The next meaning of asa. Asa. Could mean what? It has what? Fetched. For instance, if I drop this into a barrel with the aim of fetching water, and then I'm not able to see through the barrel, but you are at the top, and then I ask you, has it fetched? Then I will say, asa. Asa. And you are the top. If you are the one, if you see that it has fetched some water, then you can say, ane, yes. Ane means what? Yes. You can say, ane asa. Ane asa. That means what? Yes, it has fetched. Yes, it has fetched. Asa. It has what? Fetched. Asa. 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 It has fetched. So that is another meaning. The next meaning is what? To cure. To cure. To cure. For instance, I can say the doctor can cure you of your sickness. The doctor can cure you of your sickness. In Twi, I will say, Dokota betumi asawo yare. Dokota betumi asawo yare. Where the Twi name for doctor is oduruyefo. Oduruyefo. Literally, it means the maker of medicine. Oduruyefo. The maker of medicine. Or oyaresafo. Oyaresafo, which means the curer of disease. oyaresafo, the curer of disease. But these are words that nowadays people don't use them. They prefer saying doctor, and the old ones will say doctor. Doctor. So doctor no betumi asa wo yare. The doctor can cure your disease. The doctor can cure your disease. Doctor no, the doctor. Betumi can asa wo yare, can cure your disease. Can cure your disease. Doctor betumi asa wo yare. Doctor betumi asa wo yare. The doctor can cure you your disease. So we are seeing asa, cure. Asa wo yare. Now bonus. That means we're going to form a phrasal verb out of this, or a proverb out of this. In Twi we say, se openi dware wi na nsu asa. So openi dware wi na nsu asa. Some people will also say ensuo. It's the same. Openi dware wi literally that means when an elder finishes bathing, water also gets finished. Openi dware wi na nsu asa. When an elder finishes bathing, water also gets finished. But that's literal meaning. What actually means is that when an elder speaks, that ends everything. When an elder speaks, that ends everything. As I told you in one of my videos, in Ghana or the Akan culture, elders have a say in everything, and they have much power when it comes to deliberations. When they speak with wisdom, and when they finish speaking, you realize that you have nothing to add. So in that sense, we say, so peni jaruya ninsuasa. When they speak, it ends everything. So peni jaruya ninsuasa. We have learned that in Twi, when we say asa, it could mean to dance. It could also mean enema. It could also mean to cure. It could also mean that it is finished. It is finished. And we can form a proverb out of that. And we said, openi dwaruya na insuasa, which means when an elder speaks, it ends everything. If you did like this lesson, you can subscribe to my channel or share it on all your social media handles. You can also give us a thumbs up. Thanks for listening.